Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can get a free .site domain with DreamHost. If you've been looking for an affordable and reliable hosting provider, this is a perfect opportunity to claim your domain without paying anything for the first year. So let's get started. DreamHost is one of the most trusted hosting providers out there. They offer shared hosting, VPS, managed WordPress hosting, and even dedicated servers. What makes them even more attractive is their promotions, including cheap domain names. Right now, you can get a .com domain for just $5, and of course, free .site domains like the one we're about to claim today. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, you'll need to create one. It's super quick and easy. Once you log in, you arrive at the DreamHost dashboard. At the very top, you'll see a banner that says Claim Free Domain. I'm going to click on it. Now I type the domain name and add the extension .site. The site is available. Click Add for $1.49. And then click Proceed to checkout. On the next screen, I fill out my details and choose the name servers I want. After that, I click Continue. Now it asks me to confirm the registration period. As you can see, it's 1 year for $0. Then click Proceed to Payment Entry. Finally, I click Register Domain Now, and that's it. The domain has been added to my account. DreamHost usually sends a confirmation email within 15 minutes, so I just need to wait. Next, I go back to my dashboard and click on Manage Websites. As you can see, the registration is pending. After about 15 minutes, DreamHost has sent me 2 emails. One of them contains a verification link. I click on it, and it takes me to the verification page. And that's it. I've successfully claimed my free .site domain with DreamHost. DreamHost is not only reliable but also very generous with these promotions. With great hosting plans, low-cost domains, and free bonuses like this one, it's a fantastic option if you're looking to build your online presence without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are looking to get started online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.